We hear noises. We're scared because we hear noises. Like there's a creepy guy that lives down the street.
He calls us beautiful all the time today.
Yeah. Like he goes out of his way to say hi. And we saw him when we got out the car to come in here, like out the shuttle to come here. And so like we had to rush inside. I hope he doesn't know we're home alone. I think I'm gonna go to the window. I'm not even joking. I'm not even joking right now. He is right there, and right as you look out the window. Go look. He didn't see me though. He was facing the other way. I am so serious. I am like no jokes. I don't know. I gotta keep the light out, y'all. But there's a creepy guy. And we have to we're like crawling on the ground because he's standing right outside the window of the house and we're by ourselves. So he knows we're here by ourselves. Is he gone? But yeah, he's right in front of the gate, right? No, I'm scared. Put the camera there. Speeding by like we're not on a bridge that could, or never mind, I'm not gonna say that.
We're walking back to the van that couldn't travel across this bridge for some odd reason. But I like this area. It's really nice and very jungly, safari, Tarzanish. What's the other word for it?
Oh, picture. Oh wait, I think.
Went without.
Okay, we're on another bridge again.
Walking.
Yes.
Walking. As you can see.
Don't judge my attire, guys. Okay, I have a long dress on, and I was cold this morning, so and they said to wear sneakers because there's a lot of stairs. Okay, but yes.
Oh wait, this is the two ladies.
We gotta squeeze our way to the front. I'm used to doing this in clubs.
This is gonna suck going up all these stairs.
So there's a million steps to this waterfall, which you can kind of see through the trees if you really can't. She's taking her slow time.
This is so bad.
Watch out, it's slippery. Oh no, you already passed the slippery part. Yeah,
so bad.
it is. I'm really hot. Oh no, there's nobody behind us. There's nobody in front of us. We're in the jungle. Boom, 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 boom. We're almost there, I think.
see where Beyonce signed her name. Like, I want to see what she signed.
Beyonce?
Like, no, like, you know who we just signed in?
Yeah.
I want to see Beyonce Knowles. Like,
Oh.
see that.
Look, she'll be in this. She went to the same place we did. You know what I'm saying?
Or Beyonce
I mean, come on.
We walked the same walkway. Yeah. She's been married for like 4 years.
Maybe she just had an anniversary, right? No, sir. Even halfway there yet. And like, look at all these steps.
No, but tapping out.
Look at Tabitha. Catch up.
My knee.
Oh yeah, she fell flat on her face yesterday, y'all. Look guys, this is the waterfall that we're going to. People are down there. We finally made it through all the stairs. I think we're here.
So I'm about to go in this water with this huge, beautiful waterfall right here. They say don't go towards the middle or you could die. So I'm not going to go towards the middle. But looks like everybody's having fun.
Should I come? Okay.
So we're about to go. Woo!
Okay, so yeah,
We just went swimming in that hole behind the
it
water.
was really cold. I wish I had a waterproof camera or phone or something.
But it was really nice. And a few mishaps, but we're still here.
Yeah, some people fell off the rocks and
And they're really slippery.
yeah.
I can't talk considering this happened to me yesterday.
All right, see you later.
Bye. We're about to get left. Bye.
Right. What are the odds that I
like their family
sit on
delicacy.
something allergic or I get bitten by something that has a
They're like, we
horrible
can't give you the
venom?
recipe.
So
Now it would be like,
back
I
up the
got it
stairs
myself.
from the waterfall.
I got straight
And
from
then I was
Costa
like,
Rica.
okay, I'm gonna take a little breathing. So there's this rock. So I sit on the rock, and not even 3 seconds later, I feel this sharp pain in my left
Maybe like our
butt
top
cheek.
favorites.
And I'm just like, what? I hop up like, ah.
We should
And so
ask
I'm just
them
like,
one
okay,
day.
that was nothing. It was probably just an ant. So I'm sitting here walking, and I just feel like burning as I'm walking up the stairs. And here I am, like struggling, breathing really hard. My butt's hurting. Like it's just a mess. So like, I sat on the bus and it was just throbbing, stinging pain. But it's better now, but I can still feel it. So I'm kind of like, what are the odds of me getting bit by something? This might be good. Could you look at my butt and see if you see something? Yeah. Yeah. I'm coming.
30 seconds with Lila.
Can I get a hot spring?
This is my driver's license. No, it's not ready to say.
Hot stuff.
We're here to Baldi Hot Springs, or it's a hotel and a spa. As you can see for yourself, guys. You see how pretty it is already? We haven't even made it all the way in. Basically, natural heated water, like jacuzzis everywhere.
But all right. Oh my God.